money up there. Turn on the rest of the office. The one I said it was.
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking about it. What I'm telling you about tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
But also still says right now, there's a progressive push for the regulation. It's involvable. And you know it is.